So my grandfather lived in Providence also, and we used to see a lot of him. Jewishly, the first thing was that my mother kept kosher, although my father, as a businessman, had to work on Shabbos, so there was no question about that. But Friday night was still an important evening for the family to be together and say the prayers, you know. And because my father worked, there was no question he didn't go to synagogue on Saturday morning. But my grandfather was an Orthodox Jew who really went to shul regularly, including during the early morning if he could get away. And he, because of that, there was a lot of Yiddish in the house. See, my grandfather spoke only Yiddish. I don't know whether he learned English over the years that he was here, but he made sure that he just spoke only Yiddish to the kids. And I still remember to this day, because I understood everything, but I had so little experience in speaking that it was very difficult. And I remember him, I was in a very early age saying to me, and my brother and sister, red Yiddish, you know. I hear it all the time. And my parents occasionally, when they were together alone, or even when we were around, would talk in Yiddish. And as I say, I learned a lot of Yiddish from them. So I was at a point where my father read the Tog, the Yiddish paper, regularly, and there was even a column in the Tog for children. And he taught me how to read Yiddish, and having an understanding, I read the column regularly. So although I'm not one who can say I spoke Yiddish or spoke well, I'm still in that world because of the fact that I was involved so much in Yiddish and Yiddish culture.